Hi guys and fellow Earthlings, I am Lee Thomas, this is the Urban Gent. So today we're going to continue our beard care range kind of videos. So today we're going to be talking beard oil. Yeah, this is your one item that you should be using, okay? So at the Urban Gent we have two different types of oil. We have the Stylish Gent range and we have the Rich Gent range. Okay, so they're both great oils, all using premium oils. We don't use cheap oils. They are designed to do slightly different things with different beards. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's get into it. Okay, so Stylish Gent or Rich Gent, what is the difference? So the one thing we have to point out is the flavours and scents are exactly the same. So we've replicated those across both ranges. So the difference is the oil itself. Okay, so let's talk about that. The Stylish is a much lighter oil. So we've designed that for kind of shorter beards. Since being a lighter oil, it absorbs very, very quickly. So it's also good for people who have got perhaps slightly more sensitive skin, people who suffer a little bit from kind of like the beard itch and things kind of like that. So it's based predominantly around a coconut based oil. You know, we've got grapeseed, we've got argan, we've got sweet almond. So the oil is packed full of antioxidants, which is great for defending the skin against free radicals, and it's good for kind of soothing certain kind of skin ailments. But predominantly it is a lighter oil, so if you want your oil to kind of get in and soak in a lot quicker, or perhaps you have slightly more sensitive skin, then try the Stylish Gent range. It'll work well. Okay, so that was Stylish. Now on to Rich Gent. Okay, so the Stylish was a lighter oil, the Rich Gent is a heavier oil. And a lot of that is because it probably has an avocado oil base. Okay, so we've designed this for kind of larger beards. So it's a heavier oil, so it soaks in a lot slower. So it's almost kind of like a leave-in, slow release kind of conditioner. Avocado oil is also loaded full of vitamin E and potassium. So with bigger beards, you've got less light and less air getting to your skin, so perhaps you can have slightly more sensitive or damaged skin. Avocado oil is great for soothing skin with its vitamin E and potassium. Okay, so if you've got that kind of bigger beard and you want that slow release, perhaps a bit more of a slow release conditioner into it, then perhaps try the Rich Gent range, and I'm pretty sure that will serve you well. Okay guys, so there you go. So two different types of oil designed to do two kind of slightly different jobs with different kind of beard styles. So you've got the Stylish Gent range, quick absorbing, great for kind of perhaps shorter beards and get that oil into the skin a lot quicker. Or you've got the Rich Gent range, which is a heavier oil, kind of perhaps designed for slightly larger beards where you want that slower release, kind of a leave-in kind of conditioner. Okay. There are a couple of things you can do to kind of help your beard during kind of when it starts cooling down and things like that. Some of our other videos have got a couple of tips on beard care and things. One probably main tip we would say is if you do put some oil in to your beard, put just a tiny little bit of balm in as well after, and the balm will lock the oil into the hair and keep it kind of nourishing and conditioning for a lot longer. Okay, so guys, I am Lee Thomas. This is the Urban Gent. Stay safe, stay bearded, and we shall see you soon.